Hip rotation, so we're looking at internal and external rotation. So we're going to get into the 90-90 position here. So we've got 90 degrees external rotated on the front there, 90 degrees internal rotated. Now for this position can be quite challenging. It could start to cramp up in the muscle here. If it does start to cramp up pretty quickly, just jump out of it, shake it off, get back in. It's pretty common as well to put the hands on the ground just to allow yourself into that position. But the eventual goal is to be able to sit here for a good 3 to 5 minutes, nice and comfortable, hands off the ground. All right, if you are pretty comfortable there, it's pretty easy. Start playing with the glutes, squeezing the butt, just getting some good activation through that position. We're gonna do one side and straight over to the other. And the active part of this, coming up. So we're gonna do the rotation around the hips. So again, we're doing the single leg stance, single leg balance. So we're gonna start on the left leg first. And we're going to use this leg to rotate around the other hip. So, finger on the butt to make sure we're squeezed, and it's going to rotate as far around to the back as possible, and then come in back around again. But we can also put the finger on the butt just to make sure that's working. We're not just throwing this around all willy-nilly. We are squeezing that butt with intention to bring it round. I'm not too worried about the balance to improve over time. I want you to go all the way around, so all the way around to the left side, come back forward to the front. All the way around, all the way around, all the way around. Good, exploring that motion. 20 to the right, 20 to the left.